What is the brightest star in the night sky? The answer is Sirius. Where is the Great Red Spot located? Here is the answer, Jupiter. How many planets have rings in our solar system? And the answer is 4. Why does the moon have many craters? Time's up, it's no atmosphere. When was Pluto reclassified? Answer, 2006. Who discovered Jupiter's 4 largest moons? And the answer is Galileo. What is the second most abundant solar element? The answer is helium. How long is Halley's Comet orbital period? The answer is 76 years. Where is the asteroid belt located? The correct choice is Mars-Jupiter. Why is Venus the hottest planet? The answer is dense atmosphere. What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? The correct choice is barred spiral. When did Apollo 11 land on the moon? Here is the answer, 1969. Who discovered the universe is expanding? The correct choice is Hubble. How many Earths could fit inside the Sun? Here is the answer, 1.3 million. What is the core temperature of the Sun? Time's up! It's 15 million K. Where is Olympus Mons located? Time's up! It's Mars! Why is Mars called the red planet? Did you guess it? The answer is iron oxide. When was the first space shuttle launched? The correct choice is 1981. Who was the first woman in space? Did you guess it? The answer is Tereshkova. How many stars are in Alpha Centauri? Here is the answer, 3. What is the escape velocity of Earth? Did you guess it? The answer is 11.2 kilometers. Where is the Kuiper Belt located? The answer is past Neptune. Why do we see only one side of the moon? Answer, tidal locking. When was the first moon landing? The correct choice is 1969. Who proposed the heliocentric model? Answer, Copernicus. How far is 1 AU in km? Did you guess it? The answer is 150 million. What is the largest planet in our system? The answer is Jupiter. Where are the pillars of creation located? Here is the answer. Eagle Nebula. Why is Neptune blue? The answer is methane. When did Voyager 1 leave the solar system? Time's up! It's 2012! Who discovered Uranus? And the answer is Herschel! How many moons does Neptune have? The correct choice is 14. What is our closest galactic neighbor? Time's up! It's Andromeda! Where is the Valles Marineris Canyon? Time's up! It's Mars! Why is a Venus day longer than its year? The answer is slow rotation. What is the Schwarzschild radius of the Sun? Time's up. It's 3 km. When was the CMB predicted? Here is the answer. 1948. Who discovered the CMB? The answer is Penzias. What are the Hubble constant units? The answer is km, s, and p. Why do type 2 supernovae occur? Answer, core collapse. What is the spectral class of the Sun? Time's up. It's G2V. Where is the Great Attractor located? Here is the answer. Laniakea. When was the term Big Bang coined? Time's up. It's 1949. Who discovered the first binary pulsar? Answer, Hulse! How many degrees is Uranus' axial tilt? Did you guess it? The answer is 98. What is the density of a neutron star? And the answer is 1017 kilo M3. Why is the solar corona so hot? Here is the answer. Magnetic field. Where is the coldest place in the universe? Answer, Boomerang Nebula. When was the first black hole imaged? Did you guess it? The answer is 2019. Who formulated the HR diagram? Time's up. It's Hertzsprung. That's it for today. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily trivia. See you next time.